Hey guys, in the previous 2 or 3 videos we have taken up problems on solving inverse Z transform. The problems which I chose was actually its root was non-repeating. In case if the roots are repeating, how do we solve it? We will take up repeating roots. Before we proceed with the problem, we need some prerequisite. We need some prerequisite to solve those repeated roots, and those prerequisites are I have taken here it. I have given it as note here. As we know, inverse Z transform of Z by Z minus A is what? A power n u of n. Okay, so this is for right-sided sequence, infinite length right-sided sequence. So it is A power n u of n. Similarly, inverse Z transform of Z by Z minus A whole square is n into A power n minus 1 u of n. This also we have solved, right? Okay. And inverse Z transform of Z by Z minus A whole cube is given by n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into A power n minus 2 u of n. And similarly, inverse Z transform of Z by Z minus A whole power 4 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial A power n minus 3 into u of n. Fine. Now we shall take up the problem, and the problem is x of z is z square plus z divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube. So here 3 roots at z equal to 1 by 2 are repeating 3 times, okay, into z minus 1 by 4, and I have to solve this for ROC magnitude of z is greater than 1 by 2, which is nothing but outside the outermost circle, because 1 by 2, we have 2 poles here, right? 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, whereas 1 by 2 it's repeated poles for 3 times. So the ROC I have to solve it for outside the outermost circle. So it's a right-sided sequence. All sequence are right-sided sequence. Fine. So solution. Since all the powers are positive, we don't have to worry. What's the next step? I need to see it is x. I have to bring it in the form of x of z by z, which is equal to, if I take 1z in the numerator to other side, I end up with z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into z minus 1 by 4, right? So x of z by z, I have to perform partial fraction expansion. How to expand the partial fraction expansion if the roots are repeating? I hope you know. So it is nothing but a divided by z minus 1 by 2 power 1 plus b divided by z minus 1 by 2. So same root power 2 plus c divided by z minus 1 by 2, again same root power 3 plus one more root is d divided by z minus 1 by 4. Okay, so if the roots are repeating twice, then a divided by z minus 1 by 2, b divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square. You have to stop there. Okay, fine. So where so what is the formula to find ABCD? Where a is equal to 1 divided by how many times the roots are repeating? 3, right? So it is 3 minus 1 factorial. Okay, so d by dz, I have to differentiate it. How many times it is repeating? 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 1. How many times it is repeating? Minus 1. Okay, that many times I need to differentiate it of z minus 1 by 2 whole cube, this factor in the sense the maximum repeated value, which is 3, into x of z by z, okay, at z is equal to, so for what value of z this goes to 0, it is 1 by 2. Fine. Similarly, the b is, in order to find b, so it is 1 divided by, it is 3, maximum repeated root is 3, minus, what do I have here? 2, right? 3 minus 2 factorial into d by dz of 3 times it is repeated, minus this is 2 into 3 minus 2. This many times I need to differentiate, and this remains same, z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into x of z by z at z is equal to 1 by 2. Fine. So this is C. Sorry, B, and C is 1 divided by 3 minus, what is the power here? This is 3, right? factorial d by dz of 3 minus how many times it is repeated? 3 times. So 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 3 into this remains same, z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into x of z by z at z is equal to 1 by 2. Fine. So this is the formula. So, and finally I'll write the formula for d here. D is equal to, this is as usual, denominator of d z minus 1 by 4 into x of z by z. So this formula at z is equal to, for what value of z this goes to 0, 1 by 4. Fine. So let me just repeat the formula. So in order to get a, it is nothing but 1 divided by 3. Why did I put 3? Because the roots are repeating 3 times. Okay, minus the power of this, which is 1 factorial, into d by dz of, again 3 times the poles, roots were repeating, 3 minus this power, which is 1. So that many times I need to differentiate into this part at z is equal to, for what value of z this goes to 0, that value I have to put here. Okay, so b is nothing but 1 divided by 3. Again, why did I put 3? Because 3 times the roots are repeating, right? 3 minus the power of b's term, which is 2 factorial, d by dz of same, this value have to put here, that many times I need to differentiate it, and this remains the same. Okay, at z is equal to, again for z equal to 1 by 2, this goes to 0. Similarly, c is 1 minus 1 divided by 3. Again 3 times was the roots were repeating, minus the power of c, the part in the c, which is 3. So 3 minus 3 factorial into d by dz of 3 minus 3. The same thing goes here. When I said d by dz of 0, I don't have to differentiate it. Okay, x of, and this remains same at z is equal to 1 by 2, and this is fine for you, right? Okay, let me solve it in detail. So what do we have as a? A is 1 divided by 3 minus 1 factorial, right, which is 2 factorial into d by dz of 3 minus 1, which is d square by dz square. I need to differentiate it square twice. What is that I need to differentiate it? It is nothing but z minus 1 by 2 whole cube, the repeated root, into x of z by z. And what is x of z by z? X of z by z is z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into z minus 1 by 4, right, at z is equal to 1 by 2. So this was the formula we had. So we'll do this. A is equal to 1 by 2 factorial is 1 by 2 into this part and this part goes out. So d square by dz square of, so I end up with numerator is z plus 1 divided by denominator is z minus 1 by 4 at z is equal to 1 by 2, right? So a is equal to 1 by 2 into d by dz of, so I have to differentiate it twice. So first time when I differentiate it, so what do I get? This is in the form of u by v, so z minus 1 by 4 whole square, v square, right? V differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v divided by v square. No, so v is z minus 1 by 4 into differentiation of u. What is this? What is the differentiation of this with respect to z? It is 1, right? So minus of u is z plus 1 into differentiation of v is, again this is 1, right? And so, and what happens? This, okay, well, I'll just write it here. 1 by 2 times d by dz of, this is z minus 1 by 4 minus z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 4 whole square. So plus z minus z cancels out. So a is equal to what? 1 by 2 times d by dz of, denominator is z minus 1 by 4 whole square, and this is minus 1 by 4 minus 1 is minus, this is 4 by 4, so it is minus 5 by 4. So this is when I differentiate it one time. Now I need to differentiate it again. So now to differentiate it again, what I'll do, I'll take this denominator to the numerator. I end up with a is equal to 1 by 2 into d by dz of minus 5 by 4 into z minus 1 by 4 whole power minus 2. I just took this denominator to the numerator. Fine. So what do I have? A is equal to 1 by 2 into d by dz of, okay, I need to differentiate it now. So 1 by 2 into, so I'll differentiate it now. So minus 5 by 4 I keep as it is. what is the differentiation of this? It is minus 2 into z minus 1 by 4 minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3, into differentiation of this part, which is 1, right? Fine. So now this 2 cancels out, minus into minus plus, a is equal to 5 by 4 at what? At z is equal to 1 by 2. So I plug this 1 by 2 value here. So what do I end up? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 4 whole power minus 3. So if you just solve this, you will get answer as 80, a as 80. So therefore we get a as 80. Now we shall find the value for b. So what is the formula to find b? So b is given by 1 by 3 minus 2, which is 1 factorial, into d by dz of 3 minus 2. So I have to differentiate it one time, into z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into x of z by z. X of z by z is z plus 1 into z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into z minus 1 by 4 at I'll close the bracket, at z is equal to 1 by 2, right? So these two cancels out. So b is what? 1 divided by 1 factorial is 1. So d by dz of z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 4 at z is equal to 1 by 2. So b is equal to, so z minus 1 by 4 v square. So this is uv form. So v differentiation of u minus u differentiation of v divided by v square. So v is z minus 1 by 4, differentiation of u is 1, minus u is z plus 1, differentiation of v is 1. So b is equal to, so this here z cancels out, so minus 5 by 4 in the numerator divided by z minus 1 by 4 whole square in the denominator at z is equal to 1 by 2. So if you solve this, you get minus 20. Okay, just check it once. Now c is equal to, what is the formula to find c? Formula to find c is what? 1 divided by 0 factorial, which is 1. So d by dz of 0 times, in the sense I don't have to differentiate it. So I end up with what? Z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into x of z by z, which was z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into z minus 1 by 4 at z is equal to 1 by 2, right? And these two cancels out. So I end up with z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 4 at z is equal to 1 by 2. So this ends up with 6. Okay, just check it once. And what about d? And d formula was z minus 1 by 4 into x of z by z, which was z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube into z minus 1 by 4 at z is equal to 1 by 4, right? So these two cancels out. So I have to put z is equal to 1 by 4. If I substitute z is equal to 1 by 4, I end up with minus 80. Fine. Now, so what is the value of a? A was 80, comma, what is the value of b? B is minus 20. And what is the value of c? C is 6. And what is the value of d? D is minus 80. Okay, so all this value I need to plug in which formula? So I need to plug it into this formula, right? So we'll do that. So x of z by z is equal to, what is the value of a? A was 80, right? 80 divided by z minus 1 by 2. What is the value of b? Minus 20, right? Minus 20 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square. What is the value of c? C was 6, right? So plus 6 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube. What was the value of d? It was minus 80, right? Minus 80 divided by z minus 1 by 4. Now I'll take this z to the other side. So I end up with x of z is equal to 80 into z divided by z minus 1 by 2 minus 20 into z divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 6 into z divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 80 into z divided by z minus 1 by 4. Right? Now I need to find inverse transform for outside the outermost circle. So outermost circle is 1 by 2. So all the sequence are right sided sequence. So what do we get? X of n is equal to 80 into what is the inverse transform of this? If it is a right sided sequence, it is 1 by 2 power n u of n minus 20 into, so what is the inverse transform of this if it is a right sided sequence? So remember I had given those list of formulas. So if it is z minus a whole square, it is n into a power n minus 1 u of n. So I can write it as n into what is the value of a? A is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 power n minus 1 u of n, right? Minus 1 u of n plus 6 into what is the inverse transform of this of cube if it is a right sided sequence? It is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial a power n minus 2 u of n, right? So it is n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into a power n minus 2. So a is 1 by 2 power n minus 2 into u of n. Okay, so into u of n if it is repeating 3 times. So and the last one is minus of 80 into what is the inverse transform of this? 1 by 4 power n u of n. Okay, this is the inverse transform. One more problem of solving inverse transform for repeating roots. This is the problem we have. So and I have to solve for ROC for a causal sequence. When I say causal sequence, I have to solve inverse transform for all the sequence which are right sided sequence. Okay, so solution. So I'm not completely solving it, I'll give you intermediate results here. Okay, so what is the first thing I need to do? I have to bring it in the form of x of z by z, which is equal to z minus 1 whole divided by z plus 2 whole cube into z plus 1, right? Now I have to expand it for a partial fraction expansion. How do we do that? A divided by, so 3 times the roots are repeating, z plus 2 plus b divided by z plus 2 whole square plus c divided by z plus 2 whole cube plus one more is d divided by z plus 1, right? So if you remember, what is the formula to find a? A is nothing but 1 divided by, so how many times roots are repeating? 3 minus what is this power corresponding to a? It is 1, right? So 3 minus 1 factorial. So d by dz of 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1. This many times I need to differentiate it. What is that I need to differentiate it? So this term z plus 2 whole cube into x of z by z. This, okay, at z equal to what? Minus 2. Fine. So similarly b is what? 1 divided by 3 minus 2 factorial d by dz of 3 minus 2. So this many times I need to differentiate it into the same part z plus 2 whole cube into x of z by z at z is equal to minus 2. Okay. So similarly c is what? 1 divided by 3 minus 3 factorial into d by dz of 3 minus 3 3 minus 3 into same term z plus 2 whole cube into x of z by z at z is equal to minus 2. Fine. And how do we find d? So d is easy, right? D is nothing but denominator of d z plus 1 into x of z by z at z is equal to minus 1, right? So if we solve this, we get value of a as 2. You just try. Value of b as 2 and value of c as 3 and value of d as minus 2. So d as minus 2. Okay, and correspondingly you can, I think you can take it up from here.